Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make these two headbands right here. These are very simple headbands. You make like 10 minutes. It just has simple pleats right here and it's plain at the back. The headband can be worn by itself or you can use it to accessorize a turban base. I already posted a video on how to make this turban base, and this can be put on top, and there you go. We have some style of a turban. Before we begin, I'm going to say with this you need to use fabric that stretches. Sometimes I forget to say what type of fabric I use, but please remember I have a website and I've started putting all the fabric recommendations that you can use. And also I'm going to start showing you how I style, like for example how I style these different turbans and put them together like a turban base and a headband, how it's going to be worn on my Instagram. So if you would please follow me there so you can see how you can style your pieces. So that's it, and let's begin. This is my fabric, and my fabric measures whatever my head circumference is from here to here and 14 inches wide. But if you want it to be wider, increase your measurements. As you saw earlier, some of mine are wider, some of them are thinner. So put whatever wide you want it, because remember we are going to be folding it in half. So this is how it's going to be wide. So I'm going to begin by folding mine. So this is my good side, this is going to be our bad side, right, wrong side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold this in half. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my serger and sew right from here to here. However, if you don't have a serger, you can always use your sewing machine, but the setting has to be on whatever stretch setting your sewing machine is on. Most of them are on a zigzag stitch. It depends on what sewing machine you have. You just want to make sure once you're done, your fabric can still stretch without the threads breaking. So I'm going to go to my serger and join this piece up. I used a serger with mine, and this is how it looks. So the next step is we are going to turn this inside out. Once you have turned it inside out, what you're going to do is we are going to make sure this seam is on the middle right here, and we're going to fold this in half like that, and we're going to use again our serger or sewing machine and sew and join these two pieces. So we're just going to sew a straight line joining this from right here all the way to right here. I used a serger to join my pieces, and this is how it looks. So the next step is I am going to take my needle right here, and I'm going to use it to make a running stitch so I can pleat this part up. You can use regular pleats or whatever you do, but I'm going to be using a needle, and I'm going to do a quick running stitch. This is how it looks once the pleats are done. When you turn it, this is how your headband looks like, and it is ready to wear. As I said earlier, it can be worn by itself, but also it can be used to accessorize a turban base. So always remember, we all start somewhere. Practice will make your work perfect. For all of you who are going to be making these for personal use, enjoy your headband. And for everyone who is making these for business, keep making that money. I'll see you in the next one.